Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Snapchat on your PC. The social media giant unveiled Snapchat for Web, a feature that lets you carry on your Snapchat conversations online through a web browser. You'll be able to make and take audio and video conversations, send text-based snaps, and more. First, go to Google Chrome and search for Snapchat. Once it appears, click this one. Now here all you have to do is to click log in to chat, and you need to log in your account here. So here you need to sign in your username or email address and then click verify. All you have to do is to answer this. Once done, you have to click next. Here you need to verify your account. So as you can see here, it says open the Snapchat app on your phone and confirm you're trying to access Snapchat for web. Now all you have to do is to click yes so that the PC will have the access to your Snapchat. So after you confirm, you can have the access or you can now use your Snapchat account on your PC. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.